Okay, if you observe this, C naught, there is C naught x here, but I have written only C naught. C1 x square ఉంది ఇక్కడ, C1 x రాశా, C2 x cube ఉంది, C2 x రాశా. Okay, now what are the numbers? వీడియో బఫర్ అవుతుందా? వీడియో అవుతుందా? ఇప్పుడు కూడా ఇప్పుడు వచ్చినట్టుంది చూడండి. ఓకే, నా ప్రతి టర్మ్ లో ఒక్కొక్క ఎక్స్ తక్కువ ఉంది చూడండి. అంటే in this equation divide by x on both sides, divide by x on both sides. If you divide by x on both sides, this answer will be equal to 1 plus x whole power n plus 1 minus 1 upon n plus 1 into x. Okay, divided by x, divide the whole equation by x, then we'll get 1 plus x whole power n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 into x. Atla annamata. Okay, now find C naught minus C1 by 2 plus C2 by 3 minus C3 by 4 and so on. Also minus C naught, sorry, change. C naught minus C1 by 2 plus C2 by 3 minus C3 by 4 and so on. దాని కింద కూడా చేయండి. So to find this, put x is equal to -1 ఇక్కడ పెట్టినా పర్లేదు వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ లో పెట్టినా పర్లేదు, యూ విల్ గెట్ ది ఆన్సర్. ఇక్కడ పెట్టినా పర్లేదు. ఇప్పుడు x is equal to -1, 0 -1 by n plus 1 into -1, which will be 1 by n plus 1. If you put x is equal to -1 in this equation, you will get minus C0 plus C1 by 2 minus C2 by 3 plus C3 by 4. Okay, so you will get minus C0 plus C1 by 2 minus C2 by 3 plus C3 by 4. That's what you will get if you put x is equal to -1 in this equation. Then if you take minus common and bring this side, again you are going to get the same answer, 1 by n plus 1. Now find this. Correct. Add 1 and 2 or subtract 1 and 2, sorry. Subtract 1 and 2. So subtract 1 and 2, you will get 2 times of this part is equal to, ante kada, idi 2 times vastadi, 2 power n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. So minus 2 by n plus 1. So this part is equal to by 2 anamata. 2 power n plus 1 minus 2 by 2. So 2 power n will be left minus 1 by n plus 1. Atla. series of the form C naught into CR plus C1 into CR plus 1 plus C2 into CR plus 2 and so on plus C2 into CR plus 2 and so on plus Cn minus R into Cn is equal to, prove that is it, 2nC n minus R or 2nC n plus R. 2nC n minus R or 2nC n plus R. So each term here is, each term in the series elant form is. So until now we discussed all the series where in each term there is only single binomial coefficient. Okay, in each term there is only single binomial coefficient. See, C0 plus C1 plus C2, isn't it? C0 plus 2C1 plus 3C3. Anni. Okay, until now whatever we discussed, there is only one binomial coefficient in every term. Now each term in the series is product of two binomial coefficients. Product of two binomial coefficients. Okay, so here the concept we are going to use is product of two expansions. The concept which you are going to use here is product of two expansions. Okay, so to get product of two binomial coefficients, I am going to use product of two expansions such as 1 plus x whole power n and x plus 1 whole power n in the reverse order, or simply 1 plus x whole power n and 1 plus 1 by x whole power n atla. Okay, so if there are alternate plus minus signs, I am going to use x minus 1 or 1 minus 1 by x whole power n atla anamata. Okay, so product of two expansions and coefficient of a particular term in the product. To get this, the concept we are going to use is product of two expansions and then coefficient of a particular term in the product anamata. Okay, now first write expansion, రెండిట్లో ఏదైనా యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, మన కన్వీనియన్స్ అదనమాట. 1 plus x whole power n is equal to C0 plus C1x plus C2x square and so on plus Cn x power n. Now write the expansion x plus 1 whole power n. Okay, it will be C0 x power n plus C1 x power n minus 1 plus C2 x power n minus 2 and so on plus Cn into 1 anamata. Okay, Cn into 1. Now in this expansion, what is the C0 into CR, C0 into CR. So here I'll get CR into x power n minus r. Okay, any doubt in this? In this general term is CR into x power n minus r. C1 into x power n minus 1, C2 into x power n minus 2, CR into x power n minus r. So here CR will be something CR into x power r simply here. Here CR will be simply x power r. Now C0 into CR, I need what? C0 into CR, C1 into CR plus 1. Now again plus CR plus 1 into x power n minus of r plus 1. Any doubt in that? So after CR the term is CR plus 1 into x power n minus of r plus 1. ఇక్కడ ఏదైతే ఉందో మైనస్ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ కూడా అదే వస్తుంది. Okay, so now C1 into CR plus 1, C0 into CR lo what is the term? 1 into x power n minus r, x power n minus r C1 into Cr plus 1 multiply మనకి ఏవి కావాలో అది మల్టిప్లై చేయండి చాలు. ఓకే, మల్టిప్లై వాట్ వి నీడ్ హియర్, దట్స్ ఇట్. మల్టిప్లై వాట్ వి నీడ్, C0 into Cr, C0 into Cr into x power n minus r plus C1 into Cr plus 1 into x power 1 into x power n minus r plus 1. X power 1 minus 1 cancel. Again I am going to get x power n minus r. Similarly, దీని తర్వాత Cr plus 2 into x power n minus of r plus 2. Here this is C2 into x square. Now next time was the C2 into Cr plus 2 into x power n minus r was. Okay. Now Cn minus r into Cn. N minus r. Okay. So here in the first term, Cn minus Cr unte x power r, C2 unte x power 2 only. If there is Cn minus r, x power n minus r only. With Cn there is no x term. So if you multiply Cn minus r and Cn here, I'm going to get simply x power n minus r. So what is C0 Cr plus C1 Cr plus 1 plus C2 Cr plus 2 and so on up to Cn minus r Cn? It is nothing but coefficient of x power n minus r. See, this whole series is nothing but coefficient of x power n minus r. So when you are multiplying these two, these are not the only terms I am going to get. These are not the only terms I am going to get. I will get ఎన్ని వస్తాయి ఇందులో, a plus b plus c into d plus e plus a into d, a into e, a into f, b into d, b into e, b into f, c into d, c into e, c into f. I'm not writing all those. I need only this, so I written only those terms. Okay. Now this value is nothing but C0 Cr, x power n minus r common is అదే కదా వచ్చేది. If you take x power n minus r common from every term, I'll get C0 Cr plus C1 Cr plus 1. So this is nothing but coefficient of x power n minus r, coefficient of x power n minus r in the expansion 1 plus x whole power n into x plus 1 whole power n. Okay, coefficient of x power n minus r in 1 plus x whole power n into x plus 1 whole power n, which is nothing but 1 plus x whole power 2n. Remember this formula, coefficient of x power r in 1 plus x whole power n, NCR directly. Okay, so ఈ మెథడే ఇక్కడ రాశాను నేను, బ్రీఫ్ గా ఇక్కడ రాశాను, ఈ మెథడే డిస్క్రైబ్ చేసింది ఇక్కడ నేను. So product of two expansions, either use these two or these two, whatever, okay, whichever is comfortable. Then coefficient of a particular term, this is that particular term, then use the coefficient of a particular term in the product. So e product lo, if you find the coefficient of n minus r, that is nothing but the answer. So 2nc n minus r. So the formula, coefficient of x power r in 1 plus x whole power n, coefficient of x power r in 1 plus x whole power n, NCR. So n place lo 2n, r place lo n minus r, so 2nc n minus r. And again you can use the formula NCR is equal to NC n minus r here. So from which you will get 2nc, 2n minus of n minus r, which is 2nc n plus r. Adi అర్థమైందా అందరికి? Any doubts in this? Now find C0 square plus C1 square plus C2 square and so on up to Cn square. Find the value of that. 2 power 2n ఆరా 2 పవర్ కాదురా రే 2 power 2n ఎట్లా వస్తారా 2 power n హోల్ స్క్వేర్ చేసావా నాన్న కార్తిక్ ఎరా 2 power n హోల్ స్క్వేర్ చేసావరా కార్తిక్ అట్లా ఎట్లా చేస్తావురా రే 2 power n minus 1 by n plus 1 ఎందుకు వస్తున్నారా ఆన్సర్లు అన్నీ మీకు అచ్చా అచ్చా అది ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్ కదా ఓకే ఓకే ఒరే 2 power n హోల్ స్క్వేర్ అవ్వదురా రే అది c0 స్క్వేర్ 2 power 2n హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఎప్పుడు అయ్యేది సారీ 2 power 2n ఎప్పుడు అయ్యిద్ది అది c0 plus c1 plus c2 and so on up to cn whole square ఉంటే now it then that will be 2 power n whole square which is 2 power 2n టూ ఎన్ సిఎన్ కరెక్టే put r is equal to 0 you will get the answer if you put r is equal to 0 you will going to get the answer టూ ఎన్ సిఎన్ మైనస్ 1 కరెక్ట్ see put r is equal to 0 c0 into c0 c0 square C1 into C1 square, C2 square, and so on up to Cn square. To n Cn. Next question. Put R is equal to, in the same series, put R is equal to 1. C0 into C1, C1 into C2, and so on, which will be 2n Cn minus 1, or both have same value. See, 2n Cn minus 1 or 2n Cn plus 1. Both are same. C0 square minus C1 square plus C2 square minus C3 square, and so on, plus minus 1 whole power n Cn square. Try చేయండి. Hint and there will be two cases. One when n is odd, the other one when n will be even. Okay. There will be two different answers for that. Check this one. if n is even, see if n is odd, directly 0. If n is odd, I'll get minus cn square here. Well, n odd aithe, if n is odd, there will be even number of terms here. First thing, there will be even number of terms. And if n is odd, minus cn square. C0 and cn are equal. So C0 square minus cn square cancel. Next, minus c1 square plus cn minus square cancel. Odd aithe 0. If n is even, I'll explain that. Consider the expansion 1 plus x whole power n. C0 plus c1x plus c2x square and so on plus cn x power n. Now take the expansion 1 minus x plus 1 whole power n. Minus x plus 1 whole power n. Minus x plus 1 whole power n. ఎందుకంటే మీకు తెలుస్తుంది. I've taken n even. I've taken n as even. Now if n is even, this will be odd. Is even. So here positive. This is odd. So negative. Positive. Even. So positive. Odd. So negative. So now when you multiply the equations, to get minus c1 square, here I need minus c1. To get plus c2 square, again I need here plus c2. Or else, ఇది కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉంటే 1 minus x whole power n, దాన్ని నెక్స్ట్ గానే ఉంచేయండి. c0 minus c1x plus c2x square and so on plus minus 1 whole power n cn x power n. Now write x plus 1 whole power n as it is. C0 x power n minus c1 x power n minus 1 plus plus c2 x power n minus 2 and so on plus cn into 1. Okay, now multiply c0 square minus c1 square plus c2 square minus c3 square minus 1 whole power n into cn square. See? Okay. So to get what we need, I have to modify these equations. Ante మన దగ్గర ఉన్న ఒక basic equation 1 plus x whole power n. దాన్నే తిప్పి రాసుకోవాలి. Okay. So I have to keep on modifying these equations to get what we need. That is the only trick here. Now, so multiply c0 square into x power n. C0 square into x power n minus c1 square into x power n. See, x power 1 into x power n minus 1, x power n plus c2 square into x power n and so on plus minus 1 whole power n cn square into x power n. Now this is nothing but, when n is even, this is nothing but coefficient of x power n in 1 minus x whole power n into x plus 1 whole power n. So x plus 1 whole power n anna 1 plus x whole power n anna okatega. So 1 minus x into 1 plus x, 1 minus x square whole power n. 1 minus x square whole power n. Now coefficient of x power n in 1 minus x square whole power n. Now write this as x square whole power n by 2. This we have seen already. Because there is x square here. There is x square here. X square whole power n minus r. See? X power r in 1 plus x whole power n. NCR. Coefficient of x power r in 1 minus x whole power n. Minus 1 whole power r into NCR. Never forget this. Never forget this. Okay. Now there is x square here. Here there are 1 plus x and 1 minus x, but there is no x here. There is x square. So to get x square here also, I multiply and divide by 2. So x square whole power n by 2. Now this is x and n by 2 is r. N is n. Now coefficient of x power r in 1 minus x whole power n, which is minus 1 whole power r, which is r means here n by 2 into ncr. nc, what is r? n by 2. That is the answer. Minus 1 whole power n by 2 into nc2 when n is even, and the answer will be 0 when n is odd. Any doubt till here? చెప్పావు కదా కరెక్టే. nc n by 2 into minus 1 whole power n by 2. Perfect. డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా ఎంతవరకు? బోర్డ్స్ లో కూడా ఉన్నాయి ఎన్నో. చెప్పా కదా ఇంతకుముందు మీ బోర్డ్స్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ మెయిన్స్ లెవెల్ అది. $10:50 అయిందా? అయిపోయింది. ఇంకో 5 minutes ఉందిరా. ఇంకో క్వశ్చన్ సాల్వ్ చేయండి అంతలోకి. C1 square plus 2C2 square plus 3C3 square plus and so on plus NCN square. అది ట్రై చేయండి. C1 square plus 2C2 square plus 3C3 square and so on up to NCN. ఇంకో హింట్ ఇస్తారు ఇంట్లో. C0 square కూడా యాడ్ చేసి పెట్టుకోండి. Just in case. That is 2 into C2, 3 into C3, n into Cn. Not 2C2, 3C3 and so on and NCN. ఏమైనా ఐడియా వచ్చిందా?